Deep within this high-security complex, Vietnam's highest-value currency takes shape. Security here is absolute. Every climate control system is precisely monitored. Every bale must meet strict standards. This is the foundation of our currency.
The consistency measurements are optimal for the 500,000 dong substrate. The fiber distribution on this sample is slightly outside the target range.
Let's rerun the analysis on the next batch.
The fiber consistency in loop 3 is dropping again.
Yes, filtration efficiency is down 0.5%. Adjust the flow rate.
The embedded security elements are aligning perfectly.
Confirmed. The dong watermark is clear under the transmitted light simulation.
Alignment on Sector 3 is stable.
Confirmed. The embedding depth is precise across the web.
Pressure levels are stable at 200 bars. Alignment looks good. The moisture content is dropping rapidly. Excellent. Keep monitoring the consistency. We need to verify the manufacturing history on this roll here. Looks consistent with the inventory records.
We need to verify the registration of the watermark against the Ho Chi Minh portrait elements. The tolerances are tight here.
Understood. I'll check the alignment on the production file now. This portrait feature needs flawless reproduction. Agreed. Ensure the magnification check matches the specification sheet. Verification is running now. It should clear in a moment. The spectrometry readings confirm the consistency.
And the durability test shows minimal fade after 500 cycles.
Look at the chromatography results for this sample. The blue-green separation is precise.
Yes, and the infrared spectrum matches the control perfectly.
The cyan layer is still drifting slightly on the right edge.
The automated calibration should compensate now.
The quality on this run is holding steady. Look at the fine lines. The pressure adjustments seem to have worked, maintaining current settings. All watermarks cleared inspection. How are the microtext scans looking on your end?
Positive match across the board. The system confirms authenticity.
The alignment metrics on Unit 3 are fluctuating. I see it. Adjusting the sensitivity now.
The inspection results are in. We need to verify the defect rate against the threshold.
I'm noting the data now. The automated rejection system seems to be functioning correctly.
Parameters confirmed. Initiate the cut. Executing. Cut is clean. Process continues. The error rate remains below spec. Excellent work. Maintain the pace. Integrity verified. Moving to seal. Sensors are green. Proceed.
Dữ liệu hiển thị mức sai số trong phạm vi chấp nhận được. Vâng, hệ thống đang hoạt động ổn định. Xác nhận chuyển khoản. Rõ. Cửa khóa. Kho quốc gia. Đơn hàng tiền mới 500.000 đồng đã sẵn sàng.
The shipment to Region 5 needs immediate rerouting due to weather. Adjust the transport schedule for XE412.
Acknowledged. Recalculating the fastest secure route. Gates opening. Convoy initiate departure protocol. Status green. Proceed through security point. Main gates clear. All units proceed.
Chỗ trống đã sẵn sàng.
Xác nhận.
Xác nhận.
Đặt pallet vào vị trí. Hoàn thành.